Hi there. Thank you for joining us on our How to Use a Hotspot/Wi-Fi tutorial. The first step in learning how to use a hotspot or Wi-Fi is what is a hotspot and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is technology that allows us to gain access to wireless internet without any cables. It is the most popular form of communicating data wirelessly and is more secure than a hotspot. A hotspot is a physical location or device where people may obtain internet access to Wi-Fi. A hotspot uses Wi-Fi signals to connect to the internet, and there will be no hotspots without Wi-Fi. Hotspots are usually in public places, so they are less secure than private Wi-Fi networks. Examples of locations or devices include places such as Starbucks or your local library and your phone. Now that we've gone over what a hotspot and Wi-Fi is, let's move on to the next step, which is accessing your internet. For this section, we will go step by step on how to access hotspot and Wi-Fi on your Windows computer. On your computer, locate the arrow on the bottom right of your screen, then click on Wi-Fi, which will bring up this screen right here. Next, you want to locate and click on Mobile Hotspot, which will allow you to connect to the wireless connection. The screen will most likely prompt you to change your hotspot name and include a password with at least 8 characters. This password can consist of any upper and lowercase letter, special characters, and numbers. Make it unique in order for it to be more secure, as this will minimize anyone from accessing your hotspot without your permission. Once you have finished that step, click Save. After that, this screen will pop up and Mobile Hotspot will say On, meaning you have your hotspot on and can access it when you need to use Wi-Fi. Now, you are all set up and connected to the internet. Thank you for watching.